What's up guys, my name is Bulbarino and welcome. We are at Rain GG once again, just to have some profit and just to play and have fun. Don't forget, if you want to play on this site as well, click deposit, referral code Bulbarino 7 days and apply. Also you have the code on the description and in the comment section. So let's go to the battles. We're gonna create a new one, a new 2 vs 2, yeah? Or maybe you can go to verse 3 just 5%. I guess we can do that. And we're gonna start nice and slow, you know. All nice and slow with 100 on the back. Okay, 102, 3 verse 3, call the bots, let's do it. Also don't forget to claim everything here, it's free so you don't lose anything. Let's freaking go. Oh, I forgot to call the other bots. Damn. Let's do it. 5%. If it drops, it gonna pay. Let's check. Let me just try. See if we can have something. Okay, still some cases to go, not yet. 5% cases are really hard to drop. And about there, almost got something. Maybe we gonna have... Oh yes, we will. Let me just put the mixer right. How much? 200 for a $8 case, I mean. I will not complain about it. If we could have just one more 5% would be like really cool. But my hopes are not like above. Nothing here. Asimov would be crazy. Still nothing. Yeah, 5%. Oh, wait. Yes, okay. Maybe we're gonna have a little bit of... Yeah, we're gonna have profit, but how much is... Oh, almost 81. It's like nothing. Okay, we had a little bit of profit. Not that much, but at least it's better than anything, right? So we're gonna create another one to verse 2, fast mode. Okay, we can go fast mode and jackpot mode. We're gonna go to some 10% right now. And we're gonna do like 100 again, or no, 150, 145 seems good to me. Call the bot, let's freaking go. Also don't forget to comment what you think about the videos, anything, any suggestion, I am gonna listen to you, so just say something. Almost 300, I bet that. Oh, okay, this one is like everyone is eating right now. I mean, not a great knife, but... Oh, okay. Double! Jesus Christ. The best knife, the best... Oh, damn. Okay. It's jackpot mode, so we can win, and we will not win. Alright, okay. I accept that. I guess I'm gonna just take out for the fast mode. It's not that really cool. So I guess we're gonna go crazy and do a $378 battle. Gonna go to the news cases because we have some new cases right here, I think. But I ain't gonna do like the expensive ones. Not the expensive ones, but they're hard to get. I want like these ones with the M thing, so I know we can not risk everything. 378, still too much. Okay, maybe we're gonna do the sending price. And we go on the shoes. 300, this one. Frontline. Wizardry. Right, okay. Right, oh no. Fuck it, let's go 1 versus 1. I don't freaking mind. Let's just go. Okay, blue is better than gray, so I won't complain. Gloves? Oh, don't hit. Oh, crazy. Okay, please one more. No one drop anything on this one. Fishy case. Nothing here. Thank you for the gloves. Okay, explosive. And right now it's not paying. And the expensive cases already popped up, I guess. But still have like, okay, we can even drop something. But we really need to drop something, bro. Right now it's not paying anything. Stop, please! Oh man. Wizardry. Blood in and water for both of us. I mean, it kinda paid, right? I won't complain about it, but I'm gonna go again to a 2 versus battle, and we're gonna go a little bit crazy. Yes, we're gonna 430. We can do some cool battles right now. Okay, we're gonna colorblind. We just need like safe cases. Safe. Black Lotus. There are so many nice cases to play. We need $23 case, I guess. 23. We have anything right here? Yes, we have. Okay, 21. And we're gonna go create a battle. Let's freaking go. Also, guys, don't forget, if you deposit right here, Uberino 7 days, apply, and let's freaking go. It's the way to keeping me making these videos for you. Come on. Okay, we really need to win this one. For real, bro. We really need to drop something. Okay, it could be worse right now. I mean, it's not paying, but no freaking way. They just double it. This is gonna pay a lot. How much? 100? Okay, 100. Still, we can still do something. Emerald, like 50? 42, okay. Umbrella Corporation. Okay, no. We need to eat, not them. We just need a special rain. And maybe we can come back. Just maybe. Nothing here. Please, bro, just like a rain. 85? Alright. How much can we are on the lead? No, we still are not on the lead, but 4 kisses to go. Stop! Fuck. Please, just a rain, a special one. Go, 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 go. Fuck. 3 kisses to go. We can still do it, but we have to drop something. Stop. Bro, what? Why? Yes, please! Oh my god, can we come back? Please let me know if you can come back. Oh my god, Karambit! Oh my god, oh my god. 500! Yes! Let's freaking go. Fucking finally. Last case come back. How much? How much? 667. So we have a profit right now of 170. Crazy. I mean, my comeback bro, you always comment here. Yeah, another all-in and another comeback. Damn. So guys, thank you again for watching this video. This video was a little bit slow but tense because we come back just in the end. So thank you all for watching. Thank you again for being here. You guys are amazing support, and also always don't forget, if you deposit, use the link on the description or in the comment section. So see you again on the next video. Cheers.